guys, so here's an update on the backyard RC track course. Have a start of a bridge there, recycling some old stuff, but it's crossable. Might build off of that. We'll see. Just see how it works out. I will be getting dirt in the next couple days to put over the mulch and make it look more realistic. The rock pile has grown a little bit. We have some logs in there to take up some space. It's made it a little bit more challenging, a little taller. Teeter-totter, which I'm thinking about moving. I'm open to suggestions, but maybe just moving into a different area. The log crawl. And the big change is coming down here, but you'll take this path here, I think, under the rope bridge, and then under this bridge here to the spiral case. Just finished that today. I have made it up it a couple times. It is difficult. It's not easy, and coming down is very, very hard. Pretty much my Gen 7 hasn't made it down. The Gen 8 sorta. And then of course you come up over top. You have an option of which to come down or come across the rope bridge to here, down, follow the side over here, go along the rock pile. You could go back on it, but technically along the rock pile, come around here and underneath the bridge, which there's enough room for my Gen 7 and Gen 8 both clear, and go out and around. And that's sort of the course at this point. So I'll show some video, probably my Gen 7 on it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for listening, taking time to watch the video. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. Well guys, I made it up. Not easy, but I did do it. I don't know if that's good or bad. Interested in feedback on that.